Egg quality tester. Fast and accurate egg quality inspection and analysis. 7-inch LCD touchscreen. It runs the Android Smart operating system. The instrument adopts intelligent control. It can automatically measure egg weight, white height, freshness, yolk height, eggshell thickness, and other data with one click. High-precision digital sensor, high-precision measurement results, good stability. Built-in new printer, you can flexibly set printing information on demand. After the inspection is completed, the receipt can be printed. At the same time, the built-in data management system can record, store, and analyze the measurement results. It is convenient for users to compare historical data and analyze trends.